Melanie Reid. I'm currently the Depot and Logistics Manager for Kerr Campbell Fuel Haulage. Being Wollongong born and bred, I've always associated Wollongong Fuel Haulage with Kerr Campbell. Since becoming to work for them, I've learned that a small family business can be quite successful, especially in fuel haulage. You know, great equipment, great people, they take their business very seriously. We got the 20 metre back in April 2018. Since then, we've got the approval to operate at 63 tonne. By operating the vehicle at 63 tonne, gives us the opportunity to service more customers in less time. It also gives us cost savings in regards to maintenance. We're having less trucks on the road, doing less deliveries. When it comes down to it, the barrel will outlast any prime mover. So instead of having to refit an older barrel on a new 8x4, it's actually a better business decision to just replace a prime mover as opposed to a whole of unit.
I've been with Kerr Campbell for the last 8 years, the industry for 25 years, and yeah, it's a really good job. So many different aspects of the job, it makes the day interesting. Yeah, I started off in aviation, refilled the jumbo, Concords, Antonovs, planes, helicopters, you name it. Here in Goulburn, I've done trains, farm tanks, quarries, D9s, D10s, it's been amazing. Yeah, the Diptronics and the Swift system is unreal. If you pull up on a farm and you only got to deliver 400 litres, you pre-batch it. The computer does it all for you. You just open up the manifold and away you go. Put your hose reel out and empties the common manifold, and you've got nothing left. You've got a dry manifold at the end of it all. Easy, yeah, real easy. It turns on a 5-cent piece, it's amazing. It just helps you turn. If you're reversing, it'll turn. It makes the job easy to get in, get out, and you can do it in one turn. You know, you don't have to be jackknifing the prime mover or, you know, twisting it inside out. It's just, yeah, really good.
When we're doing rural farm deliveries, by having the hose reel set up at the front of the vehicle, it enables us to get into tighter spaces with less truck movements.
Mate, it's unreal, yeah. It's just makes the job so much easier. You get in a tight spot, but where they're situated, and you just pull out the hose and away you go. And you can see everything. Everything's well lit up, and yeah, it's a really good setup.
By using the fuel shifter, it's got a lot better turning circle than a normal 8x4 rigid does. It allows us to access those customers and their tanks and service them in the best possible way.